Hello, this is a tutorial for Respect My Stitch-ority, and I am on round 11, the last stitch. It is a half color change to yellow, so I'm going to go in with the old color and finish it the yellow. And then I'm on round 12. Round 12, you're going to do 5 half color changes, so you're just going to repeat what you just did 5 times. So you're going to go in with the cream and finish with the yellow. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you're going to color change to cream and do 20 single crochets. And this is 20. And then it says to half color change to yellow and do 2 single crochets. So here is the half color change to yellow, and that's the first single crochet. And then you're going to repeat it, half color change to yellow. Here's the second single crochet, and then it says half color change to blue and single crochet. So we never color changed to yellow. We only half color changed. We originally color changed to cream. So you're going to use the cream to do the half color change to blue. Like that. And now we are on row 13. Row 13 says to color change to blue, and it also says in the back loop only. So I'm going to do 5 single crochets in the back loops with blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it says to color change to yellow, and it says BLPS, which is both loops. So I am going to color change to yellow, and it says to go into both loops, so I'm in both loops. And then it says to half color change to blue and do 2 single crochets. So here is my half color change to blue, and that's 1. And then in the next stitch, I'm going to go in with yellow and finish, and that is 2. And then it says to color change to yellow and single crochet. And then it says to, and you can see the lines are starting to look a little better. Then it says to color change to cream, half color change to yellow, and 2SC. So I'm going to grab my cream and start a stitch with cream. Finish it with yellow. Do another stitch with cream and finish it with yellow. Then it says to color change to cream and 12 single crochets. Half color change to yellow and do 3 single crochets. So there is 1. Here is 2. And here is 3. Half color change to blue and single crochet. Then I'm going to color change to blue and do 2 single crochets in the back loops only. So there is 1 and 2. And now I'm on row 14. So row 14 is 8 single crochets. and then 2 in the back loops. And then in both loops, color change to yellow. Color change to cream, and 11 single crochets.
There is one.
And then it says to half color change to yellow and single crochet. And then it says to color change to yellow, half color change to blue and single crochet. So I'm gonna color change to yellow, half color change to blue and single crochet. And then color change to blue, back loop only single crochet. And then in both loops, I'm gonna do 3 SC. So 1, 2, 3. Now I am on row 15, and I'm gonna do 11 single crochet. And there is 11. And then I'm going to color change to yellow and half color change to blue. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I'm going to color change to blue, and in the back loop only, I'm going to single crochet. And then in both loops, I'm going to do 4 single crochets. At the end, you're going to be able to put your hook into each yellow stitch and surface crochet around to create the edge of his hat. Thanks for watching.